team over at RE/MAX. I'm here to bring you your July 2017 market update to keep you informed of and ahead of what's going on here in our local real estate market. So for the purposes of this video, as always, we're only going to be talking about single-family homes here in the northwest Broward County area. That's Parkland, Coral Springs, and Coconut Creek. A lot of the single-family home markets are very similar, but each city and each individual neighborhood is different. So if you have any questions on how this impacts you, definitely give us a call. We'll be more than happy to help. So in our area here, the number of new listings that's come on the market this month versus last year is actually down 16.8%. So we're seeing fewer new homes be available for sale. Year over year, we're actually down about 26.5% from July of 2017 to July of 2016 in closed sales. So we're seeing fewer homes come onto the market and fewer closings as a result of that. But median prices are still going up. So the prices in Parkland are up 4.44% from July over what the median price was in 2016, excuse me. In Coral Springs in July, the prices were up 10.58% over what the median price was in 2016, and 8.21% in Coconut Creek. So prices are still going up, and that is because we still have about 3.5 months worth of inventory. Very, very little homes for sale, which has been a continuing trend over the last couple of years here. They say a balanced market is when there's 6 months worth of inventory. Anything less is a seller's market, anything more is a buyer's market, and we are very much in a seller's market here. So what does this mean for you? So how does this affect you? If you're a buyer, it's very important and highly recommended that if you're able to buy now, you definitely should. What does the cost of waiting mean to you? So let's go over some numbers real quick. If you bought in July of 2016 when the prices were about, let's call it 10% lower, your payment would have been about $266 a month less when you factor in the fact that prices have gone up and interest rates have actually gone up about 0.5%. So it would have saved you about $266 every month. In addition, if you were to buy now compared to last year, because prices have gone up, you need about $4,000 more money for your down payment, assuming a 10% down payment. So the cost of waiting is really drastic. If you are in a position to buy and you can buy, you definitely should. If you're going to stay somewhere for 3 to 5 years or longer, it's definitely in your best interest to buy. Rents are going up as well, so the cost to rent a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home in Coral Springs is gone up about $100. So it definitely, if you're going to be somewhere for the long term, it makes financial sense if you can to buy. If you're a seller, what does this mean for you? There's never been a better time to put your home on the market. Homes that are professionally marketed by our marketing plan are selling in days, if not hours, at or above list price. There's still bidding wars on a ton of properties here, so the market is red hot. As this market continues to go, we're going to see less sales. So now is a really, really good time to put your home on the market and sell, especially if you're a move-up buyer. If you're moving into the higher price range, there tends to be a little bit more inventory in that higher price range. Let's say you're moving from Coral Springs or Coconut Creek up to Parkland. There's a lot more inventory available in the higher price range, so you're in a better position to do that as well. I hope that was very informative. I hope you learned a lot. And if you have any questions about what your home might be worth or how any of this information affects you, feel free to give us a call, shoot us a text, or go to our website at www.mandelwillsell.com. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next month.